Welcome to Halloweenly Fans Pee Wee Herman edition. I'm going to do the intro off camera today just in the interest of time because I've got a lot of stuff going on. So I will do a quick how-to followed by a very funny slideshow with some dancing. All right. I always had thought I'd eventually do the Pee Wee Herman costume. So one year I just went into Amazon and bought those white shoes and just had them in my closet. So the year that I did this one, I happened to have pretty short hair, like a couple of inches below my ears. It was just a bob. So I just folded that under and pinned it up, and then I smushed it down and put some really strong hold gel on it. And so that was the hair. I just kind of arranged it to where it looked like his. And then for the face, I just darkened my eyebrows, and then I put very bright red blush just on the apples of my cheeks, kind of close to the nose. And then I just put some red lipstick on to match his lips. And so that was the face and hair part. And then I went to Men's Warehouse and picked up a gray suit and had them hem up the pants to be a little bit too short. And then got the white shirt and bow tie to go with it. And then the pocket square is just basically a white piece of paper that I folded up. And then finally I had my own white socks and I put those shoes on, and that was it for the costume. It's pretty easy. So now here's a side-by-side of the real Pee-wee and my costume featuring the tequila dance. Roll it.